Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So I wanted to point out something on this coach, and this is kind of happens to almost anything out there. You know, as time flexes and goes, and these units like vibrate and shake and move. You know, this is the fender skirt, or not the fender skirt, excuse me, the J metal. But you can see where the screws have oblonged out and where the metal has slipped. So Gino's going to go ahead and take those screws out, at least the two bottom ones, and he's going to put a white powder-coated trifold rivet. And I'll show you what those kind of look like real quick. He's in the process of lowering the coach down. He just did a Roadmaster kit on it. And so here's these trifold rivets. And you can see it's white. And you can see those little notches in there. Well, we've done other videos and articles. That's going to flare out three ways. So when he goes to take that screw out and put that in there, it's going to flare out and it's going to suck that metal in and then get this gap to go away because these screws are just wallering out. So he already tightened them up even a little bit just by hand, but they're going to fall out. So, all right. Well, thanks so much for watching. Check out our other videos and articles on that, and you'll see us posts that I've made in the past. It has links and whatnot to it. So thanks so much for watching. Dustin, RV Specialist.